Okay, everybody, we have an unboxing to do. Let's get this open and see what we got. Well, here it is out of the box. This is from BudK. It's the M-16 Bayonet. It says fits AR style rifles with bayonet lug. Okay, let's see here. It says an exact replica of the M-16 bayonet issued by the military during the Vietnam War. This fully functional piece is equipped with a 9-inch stainless steel blade with heavy blood groove. The black checkered handle is heavy-duty construction and provides a superb grip. Solid stainless steel guard and butt. Includes leather sheath, and it's 14 1/8 inch overall. And then it has a little picture there of it attaching to an AR rifle. Now there's quite a few videos I've seen on YouTube, and they said that this does not attach. It doesn't fit. So, but they said overall it's an okay knife, so that's why I purchased it, just to see what it was, because I don't plan on hooking it onto a rifle or anything. So let's get it open. There it is. Looks like it's wrapped pretty good in plastic. Get that off. It's got a little silica bag in there, and then it looks like the knife itself is wrapped in plastic. I don't know what that is. It almost looks like dust or mold. It's probably just dust. But let's get it out of there and clean it up. Okay, there it is. First looks at it. It says stainless China, US M16. It's got a pretty aggressive checkering on there. You can really feel that. And the handle feels extremely lightweight. I can't imagine that there's a full tang going through it. Feels like it might stop right in there somewhere just because of how light it is. I could be wrong. It's just how it feels hollow and light. It's got the lug there for attaching. I've heard some people say you have to bore this out to get it to fit on a gun. I don't know. But I'm going to clean up this sheath a little bit. Okay, here it is. I cleaned up the sheath. Just seemed like some kind of white dust on it. I don't know what it was. Rinsed right off. I put some toothpaste on the blade because, believe it or not, that actually works pretty good to get tarnish off of pretty much anything. And then I rinsed it off and gave it a good wipe down, and you can see how silver it looks now. But it's not terrible to look at. I mean, it feels pretty decent. It's not like wobbly or anything. Very lightweight. Definitely could do what it's made to do, I guess. I'm going to put it in the... Well, let's look at the sheath real quick. It's single stitching, kind of like a thin bank line. It's got a little reinforcement square right there. It's got a buckle that spins, which is good, so you can put it left or right-handed, apparently. It's got a snap, closure. It's got some rivets up at the top, which I think is for the belt loop here. Yeah, there we go. It's got about a 2-inch belt loop on it. It's not the thickest leather, but it's not the softest either. This is kind of a in-between sheath. It's got some rivets there. It's not too bad considering. Lightweight, but it doesn't feel too shabby. But let's put the knife in there and see what it looks like. Yep, slides in like a glove. No issues at all. It will pull out to there, but the strap catches it, so it's not going to go too far. And other than the buckle getting in the way a little bit when you're trying to draw it out of there, It's not too shabby, I say, as I can't get it to come off. There we go. You can see there, it's got a nice little fuller on it right here. I guess just to keep lighten it up a little bit. When I was cleaning this, a lot of gray was coming off, like it was covered in like a gray tarnish, which, I mean, it's stainless steel. You wouldn't think it would be like that, but it was. It's not quite 1/4 of an inch thick, but it's pretty thick. It's close. It's got a little false swedge up here. Then the blade runs clear to there, but you do have this space, which isn't a blade, so if you needed to, you could choke up on it right there. And the spine, I don't know, it might strike a fire steel. It feels like it's almost 90 degrees. Actually, what's right here in the hole, it's definitely sharp. I bet you could put a fire steel in there and pull it and get some sparks, because that's fairly sharp. But I'm not sure, like I said, if it's full tang, clear to the back or not. Just feels a little light in the handle to me is all. But not bad for what it is. It doesn't feel very sharp, I've noticed. So I'll do a paper cutting test and see if it even can cut paper. Okay, straight out of the box. Little piece of paper here. See if it'll cut it at all. Well, it's not super sharp, as you can see, but it will pierce. That's pretty much what it's meant to do. Well, it's 14 1/8 inch overall, and it has a 9-inch blade. Well, that's about all I have for this video. You can get these on BudK for $9.99 plus shipping. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.